Hey guys, my name is Donnie and welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the inside of our very unique bespoke scratch built motorhome. Guys, cutting to the chase, in the last video I made this kitchen area over here, and in today's video I want to focus on the other side of our living area by making up this couch that's going to sit on this corner. Now guys, this couch is also going to serve as some extra storage space and a second bed if needed. So I've gone ahead and I made up a cutting list of everything that I need to start cutting the material to make this couch. So in the next couple of minutes I just want to clean up this side of the motorhome, and then I'm going to start cutting away and assembling this couch over here. So let's get going. Nice. Who's Ken? Never heard of the guy. Alrighty guys, there we go. I've now finished making this couch area over here, and I'm just waiting for all of the bonding agent to dry, and then I can get the upholsterers out, because I'm gonna get professionals out to make us some nice cushions for this couch area over here. And as you can see, I also made some openings so that you can use that for storage also. And what I also went ahead and did off camera is I made an extra set of rollers for the fronts of these couches, just to give it some extra support when it slides in and outwards with the slider. But guys, it is working very nicely, and I'm very happy with what it came out looking like. Another thing that I also want to do, guys, is I'm going to be putting a table in this area over here, and the idea is that this table will be able to drop down to the height of this couch and then convert it into a double bed. But I still need to figure out exactly how I'm going to be doing that. And guys, before I leave you, there's another thing that I just wanted to address, and that is that plenty of you guys have been asking me how I plan on doing the weatherproofing on these sliders, and I really want to show you guys without jumping the gun too badly. But I'm going to be using these rubber strips and cut them to size. So I've got rubber strips like this. I'm going to be gluing it all the way along the perimeter of these sliders, so that when it closes up against this aluminium pillar, it's going to be nice and weatherproof. And then I'm going to do basically the same thing from the inside, is I'm going to be using some of this angled aluminium, and I'm going to be gluing it into position over there on the slide out, so that when it comes out, or when the slide out opens, and I've got some of this rubber strip on the inside of this aluminium bridge, then this aluminium angled iron is gonna close up against it and hopefully make it nice and weatherproof. And what I'm gonna do when I'm done with that is I'm gonna be making a nice enclosure out of this PVC board that's gonna close up everything and make it nice and neat, hiding away any of these wires and ugly stuff behind it. But guys, that is that. I'm gonna only be doing that at a later stage, but at least now you've got the gist of what my ideas on how I'm going to be weatherproofing these slide outs. But any case, I'm happy with the progress so far, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Cheers!